Today, I'm going to go over debt consolidation and personal loans from Best Egg. Best Egg offers loans up to $50,000. And that may sound great, but is it? I'm going to go through all of the information you need to determine if this is a good loan for you. I'll talk about who they are and the loans they offer. Then I'll dive into the cost of Best Egg loans, the application process, and your chances of getting approved. After that, I'll go through what you need to know and do before taking a loan with Best Egg. Who is Best Egg? Best Egg is an online financial services company that has funded over 1.1 million loans. They offer personal loans across most of the United States, but their loans are not available to people who live in Iowa, Vermont, West Virginia, or the U.S. territories. Best Egg partners with Cross River Bank and Blue Ridge Bank to make online personal loans. Now, this banking partnership is really a common thing for online lenders who have expertise in marketing, underwriting, and/or managing loans, but they don't have the required licenses to make the loans on their own. In all, you can be assured that Best Egg is a legitimate and well-regulated lender. Best Egg has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Now, that doesn't mean that people never have issues with them, but it does mean that when issues have come up, Best Egg has worked really hard to resolve them. And that to me is a sign of a good company to work with. They also have an excellent rating from Trustpilot with over 6,500 reviews. But here's the secret about Trustpilot reviews from lenders. First, lenders solicit these reviews right after providing the loans, and usually before the repayment begins. So many of the reviews are from people who just got their money. On the other side, many of the one-star reviews are from people who were declined. In both cases, the reviews are mostly based on getting the loan and not the loan service itself. For this reason, I take Trustpilot scores for lenders with a grain of salt. I don't count them much, good or bad. What loan amount can I get from Best Egg? Best Egg offers debt consolidation and other personal loans for $2,000 to $50,000. And these loans have repayment terms of 3 to 5 years. Now, 3 years is a long time for a $2,000 loan, but 5 years is a good term for a $50,000 loan. What kind of loans does Best Egg offer? One of Best Egg's most popular loans is a debt consolidation loan, but they market their loans for a variety of reasons. While the list of reasons on their website is really long, their loans really fall into 3 categories, and the rest of the language on there is just marketing speak. Now, I say 3 categories because there are really 3 different ways that Best Egg will view and underwrite loans. The first type of loan that they offer is debt consolidation and credit card refinance loans. Now, credit card refinance is just debt consolidation focused solely on credit card debt. For these loans, you are transferring debt and not creating new debt. The reason for you to take this loan is to reduce your interest expense so you can pay more to principal and get out of debt faster. Secondly, they offer secured loans, which means the loan is secured by something of value. Often it would be your vehicle. Other companies may call these auto refinance loans. And third, they offer unsecured personal loans. These are everything else. They're called personal loans because the reason for the loan is personal, and you can use the money for whatever you choose. You have to be the one to decide if the cost is worth it for you. What is the APR for Best Egg loans? Overall, the APR of Best Egg loans varies from about 9% up to 36%. But keep in mind that this includes the origination fee, so the interest rate will be a little lower than that. Now, the origination fee is a very important part of Best Egg loans, especially if you are looking at them for debt consolidation. The origination fees vary from 0.99 to 8.99%, so basically 1 to 9%. However, if you choose a loan with a term of 4 years or more, the origination fee will be at least 4.99%. You can also expect the origination fee to be on the higher side for smaller loan amounts, especially those under $5,000. The origination fee that Best Egg charges is taken from the proceeds of the loan. So let's look at an example. Suppose you choose a $5,000 loan with an 8.5% origination fee. That means your fee would be $425, and only $4,575 would be deposited into your bank account. But you would still owe $5,000 plus interest to repay the loan. Now, to make this a worthwhile choice for debt consolidation, the reduced interest rate you get will have to save you more than $425 in interest on your current debts. What fees does Best Egg charge? The only fee that's listed on the website for Best Egg is their origination fee. They also note that they do not charge prepayment fees. Now, this is a good thing, and it's one of the first things I look for in a loan, because I do not recommend using a lender that charges a prepayment fee, which is a prepayment penalty. Best Egg has not posted anything on their website about any other fees, but that doesn't mean there aren't any. In fact, Since they don't advertise not charging other fees, it's pretty safe to assume that they do charge other fees. If you choose to take a loan with Best Egg, you should look at the loan agreement carefully for any fees, such as late payment fees or insufficient funds fees, also known as NSF fees. What do you need to apply for a Best Egg loan? First, I should note that Best Egg offers a soft credit inquiry application to let you check for loan offers. That means the initial application won't impact your credit score. But to apply, you'll need the standard information, like name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Additionally, they will ask you about the reason why you are applying for the loan. Lastly, they want to understand your financial situation. They will ask about your employment, your individual income, your household income, and your monthly rent or mortgage costs. Plus, they're going to ask about the number of cash advances you've taken in the last 6 months. Now, this last one is different from most lenders, and I haven't seen this question before, but it will be used to establish how stable your income and expenses are. After you submit your information, Best Egg will give you a loan decision in a few minutes or less. If approved, they will give you one or more loan offers to choose from. And if you accept one of those loan offers and move forward, a hard inquiry will be placed on your credit report. Who can get approved for a Best Egg loan? Best Egg does not advertise a minimum credit score for their loans, and they may not have one at all. Best Egg does say that to get their very best APR, you must have a minimum credit score of 700 and an annual income of at least $100,000. These are the minimums for the best rates. And that means even if you meet the criteria, you may not qualify for their best rates. And it's even possible you could not be approved with that same criteria. On the other hand, these requirements for the best rates imply that Best Egg does approve people with credit scores below 700. Now, based on my 10 plus years of experience in lending, I would expect that Best Egg approves a large number of people with credit scores between 650 and 700. They likely approve people below 650 as well, but not as many. What should you do before taking a Best Egg debt consolidation loan? Before you take a debt consolidation loan or any other personal loan with Best Egg, there's a couple of things you need to do. First, you need to understand how much you need to borrow, and don't borrow any more than that amount. For debt consolidation, consider the debts you want to consolidate. In general, you should not consolidate debts that have a lower interest rate than the APR of the debt consolidation loan. Now, the terms I used here are really important. The interest rate on your current debts is the remaining cost of those debts. The APR on the debt consolidation loan includes the origination fee and the interest rate. That will be the total cost of the debt. You should not compare only the interest rates. The second and most important thing to do is to shop around. When getting a loan, there are numerous choices, and every lender uses different criteria for their loans. No one lender is the best for all. Shopping around could save you hundreds or thousands of dollars in interest and fees. At the Yukon Project, we've made this simple for you by bringing over 40 lenders into our platform. All you need to do is head over to our marketplace and apply once. The link is in the description. Then our 40 plus lenders will review your application with no impact to your credit score and send back their best offers for you. Then you can compare the offers, choose the one best suited for your needs, and rest easy knowing you got the best loan available. Overall, Best Egg is a good loan company, but their origination fees are on the high side. You should consider this when comparing other loans. If you have 2 loan offers for the same amount and with the same APR, this is something to pay particular attention to, because the one with the lower origination fee is usually the better deal. If you've had a personal loan with Best Egg, please consider leaving a comment below so others can benefit from your experience and knowledge. And please support our efforts by liking this video and following our channel. Thanks for watching.